I just started to jump on a hillside. Maybe we should turn that water off before we get a flood here or something. Just keep your eyes open. Yeah, guys, we got a flashlight heading towards the second floor. Look out, guys! Guys, the flood was created by releasing 10,000 gallons of water in the tank at the top of the hill. After the water goes over the bridge, it gets
As you wait to experience our attraction, we'd like to remind you to please maintain at least 6 feet of physical distance from the other travel parties around you. Also, as a reminder, prior to boarding the ride vehicle, you will be asked to sanitize your hands and may experience slight delays in the boarding process, as some rows may not be available to allow for appropriate physical distancing. Thank you, and enjoy your day here at Universal Studios Hollywood.
Oh, oh, what the hell? That's apartment 3 for you.
Oh, you can open all of this? Yeah. No, the letters.
Oh, you can open the letters. I'm over here trying to open the door. And now we're here into apartment 5. The main wiener dog. Getting his back scratched just like in the movie.
But did you get on the letter? No, the letter
I'm just waiting for something to pop out. Alright, apartment 18. You climb up stairs and you get there. And we got a whole nother kitchen here. I'm really in love with these sets. They're just something amazing. They seriously went out for this ride. Just the waiting queue is like, Jesus Christ.
I just like how like realistic it is. Good news, great news. Yeah.
Another set of stairs.
Hey, I'll tell you what. Why don't you puppies go see Captain Snowball? He lives to help animals. Good guy. Crazy, but a good guy.
He's just down the hall that way.
By the way, it's your turn.
Okay. Whoa. Whoa.
I'm gonna win.
Oh, this is too stressful. Can't we play biscuit checkers or tic-tac-toe? Oh, Max, look, more puppies are coming in.
Oh, wow. There's just so many of us.
Hey, guys.
Number 19. The view from outside. Alright, sorry about that.
They grow up so fast. Class dismissed. We gotta find you guys, family.
puppy, and you're not getting the cue. Let me feed puppies. There's an adoption event happening right now at the pet store just a few blocks away. We got her. Adoption day is almost over. Plus, I'm being told me I do not have the greatest attention.
Right?
Bored and zoned out. Okay, back to the plan. This is a map of the city. Believe it or not, I drew it myself. Okay, look, it's a little abstract. But the point is, that's me, that's you, that's the pet store. Now I've made it my personal mission to get all of you stray puppy dogs adopted. And I will not let you down. And then I'm gonna frame this. Over here.
And then after everything, we're here at the front of the line for the new Secret Life of Pets ride. All different carts and everything. Something unique, so